Matching the missing bricks at the house is another challenge. Bricks for both the chimneys and the foundation piers are being made at the Old Carolina Brickworks, just outside Salisbury. It's the largest manufacturer of hand-thrown restoration brick in the country.
This is the pug mill where we mix the water and clay together.
The pug mill?
Yes, we call it a pug mill, but pugging is mixing the dry material with the water.
So these teeth are what do the actual kneading. It's sort of like baking bread.
Once it's pugged or mixed, it's extruded into a column and then scored and separated into what we call slugs, individual slugs. And then the pitchers pick them up, sand them, and pitch them into the sanded mold.
Looks like they're flouring the pans with sand.
What that does is separate, it's a separating agent for the mold and the material.
How many bricks will these guys sling in a day?
These guys are making 35,000 oversized brick a day, and the slugs they're pitching are about 13 pounds apiece.
So you don't want to mess with them in a dark alley?
No, that wouldn't be a good idea.
What's this machine doing?
This part of the machine is, we've got a piano wire going across the mold. The molds are conveyed through it. It cuts the excess off the top of the mold.
At this point, the bricks are too soft to handle, so a steel pan is dropped onto the mold and the bricks are flipped onto the pan. The plates are stacked on racks and rolled into a drying room where they spend the night. For special orders or custom sizes, the bricks are individually hand-thrown here in the shape room.
What we're doing here is striking off the excess and placing them on the pans, just like we did on the machine in the back.
The next day, all the bricks are hand-stacked on carts known as hacks, ready to begin their 2-day, 230-foot-long journey through the fire.
Can we actually look inside?
Yeah, this is at the end of the firing process. You see the brick are about 2,000 degrees and they're nearly molten inside. This is the discharge end of the kiln. This is the end of the firing process. And you can see that by now these brick are cooled down so they can be handled. I want you to notice right here that we have a range of color in these bricks from top to bottom, side to side. You get dark colors, lighter colors, some more even, like on the top. And that's
what causes that?
What causes that is the different amount of flame that touches them and how much coal lays on them, where they're burned. These up here don't get a lot of flame.
So how are you going to develop the color variation in our bricks?
We're going to take the brick that are more uniform and red for the foundation and put them on the top so they get the more uniform treatment. The chimney is a wide range and a lot of dark brick. We'll set those in the flash zones.
So where you place it on the stack makes a big difference in the final color.
Exactly. The manufacturing process dates back to Moses' time. This firing is modern, but it's still an art to find where you can match the colors.
Well, thanks for showing it to us. It's fascinating.
You're very welcome, Steve.
Carolina Brickworks has delivered the reproduction brick, and masons are putting the finishing touches on chimneys and foundation piers.